nitroglycerin.
You jerk. So, trade the kingdom. Then Abyss will give us... No, give me the antidote. I'll be flesh and feathers again. See?
Iago, I'm very sorry, but I just can't. You know, my people, my city. Oh, Jasmine, help me explain.
Iago, you know we would. If we could.
Oh, Iago, don't be sad. Look! Gold! Jewels! Caviar! Manicures! A reclining chair that vibrates! I'll make sure you have the best last day on Earth ever!
Last day on Earth? Sorry. Impending doom takes all the fun out of decadent living. All I really want now is a longer life.
We've got until sunset. I will find a way to save him.
Stone. A big deal. I'm better off as a statue. No more monkey pestering me. No sultan bugging me about borrowing his bath oils. No more me. If I ever get out of this, I'll kiss that stupid monkey! I don't want to be Stone! I want to kiss the monkey! I want to live! I can't let it happen! I won't let it happen!
Soon, Agrabah will be under my control, and
We'll be living a life of luxury. Yes, I know.
Caviar, manicures, big hat. Oh, that's the best part. Big old hat.
Hello, Abysmal, scourge of the desert.
Ah, the bird. I knew you'd be first to kiss up to Sultan Abysmal. What'd you bring me?
Well, the Sultan isn't turning to stone, see?
What?
He says the Sultan isn't...
I heard! But I am! I'm turning to stone! May I please have the antidote, then we can all get on with our lives. Especially mine!
What were you doing in the Sultan's bath oils, huh? Answer me that!
Flaky